Well, I'm pretty happy. Picked up some rain, 2/10 of an inch at my place last night. Picked up about 1/10 of an inch today, so things are looking good. I'll take more, and I know a lot of you folks are hoping for some rain. You want to stay away from any of the severe stuff, the hail, but we'll all take the rain. But look what we got going out to the west of us. And if you look out west, you can see all the dark clouds, all the lightning flashes. This is a pretty good thunderstorm. We also have one just to the west of the Las Cruces area. But let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit tighter and take a look at some of the storms that we are watching. And some of these are certainly quite strong out there. We are talking about producing some gusty winds and parts of town, but as we dig in a little bit closer, you're going to notice these thunderstorms just to the west of us, and they continue to move slowly to the north and the northeast. We're not tracking any hail, thank goodness, at least right now. We'll be watching that closely as the night progresses. All right, Las Cruces for you. Out to the west of you guys, there's a thunderstorm. Not a whole lot of lightning on it, but certainly a nice little cell which is building as it makes its way towards the northeast. And if we look here at the time frame, Maybe Hill, 643, Leesburg, 645. Looks like it's really going to bypass the brunt of the Las Cruces area. All right, farther off towards the northeast. Get around Alamogordo, Holloman Air Force Base, Point of Sands. We got some showers up there, even a few thunderstorms. So you look at our 12-hour rainfall totals and Las Cruces area. We already talked about 4/10 of an inch west of town out at the airport. Now in the metro area of Las Cruces, about 3/10 of an inch. Around Picacho, getting about 1/2 inch of rainfall. Farther down towards the south, Mesilla Park. You get around South Main Street, Snow Road there. You get a little more than 1/2 inch of rainfall, so some pretty good rain on the south part of town. Anthony, New Mexico, La Tuna, you guys cashed in with some of those storms this afternoon and this evening. Getting close to 3/4 of an inch of rain in parts of town. This was Horizon City this afternoon. Boy, you guys had a gully washer there. Lots of lightning. Some gusty winds, and look at some of the rain that really came down in that area. If you look at some of the numbers, there's Horizon Boulevard. South of town, a little more than an inch, maybe 1.25 inches. And as you make your way west around East Lake, Horizon Boulevard, a little more than 3/4 of an inch of rain. So you got a nice storm there. 90 degrees. We have cooled down a little bit here in town, but look at Las Cruces, 70 with some of that rain-cooled air that hit you guys. 82 in Deming, Cloudcroft 62. We have 70 up there in Ruidoso. All right, tomorrow we're going to have an opportunity, more rain, even some heavy rain in parts of town. Silver City, out to Tucson, Las Cruces, El Paso, up to Albuquerque. You're going to be traveling in that area. We're going to be talking about the potential for some good rain where we could see some isolated spots and maybe some isolated flooding in parts of town. All right, so we got pretty good chances for some rain the next several days. And notice as we make our way into the rest of the week, we're going to be continuing with that chance of rain, although it goes down just a little bit. Temperatures, for the most part, will be hanging out in the low to middle 90s, more so on the lower end of side. Eric?